Hello, I got my package for my reborn supplies. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to put the camera down so I can open it. Okay, let's see where I can put it. I'll hold it. Not me, let me open it. Okay. Here's, oh, that's little, oops. Oops, I wasn't supposed to do that. Here's my brushes. Here's the paints that I got. Okay, here's my rooting tool with the needles inside them. These are 38 gauge, I think they were. Then I got my hair. This was a light brown auburn or something like that. It's like mohair. Okay. And then the body for the doll. There's her body. Yeah, here you go. With the little clips. And that's it. Thank you for watching.